So another way that we could get the baby into the bowl and create space in early labor from front to back of the pelvis, another option is kneeling on hands and knees, either over an exercise ball or a couch or a chair. So providing this hands and knees position, and then adding a tilt, a pelvic tilt. When we add a pelvic tilt, we're creating that same idea of bringing the baby and putting baby into the bowl, making space. Having Mara here, I'm going to have you do some gentle pelvic tucks. So tucking the tailbone and then coming to neutral spine. And then tucking the tailbone and neutral spine. So during a contraction, a mom can be in this hands and knees position and then doing pelvic tilts during contractions or in between contractions. If it doesn't feel comfortable for her to do during a contraction, she does not have to do it. Listening to her body, doing what feels comfortable in the moment is what we're looking for.